Good morning everybody. So today I am here in Barcelona and I am being toured around and accompanied by...
Hola, yo soy Tania.
Yo soy Guillem.
Y yo soy Otto. Bienvenidos a Barcelona.
I got a stracciatella cone. Everyone else got an ice cream too. Delicious. Ah! Se derrite muy rápido. No me gusta el jamón. Look at all this fruit. ¿Cuántos hacemos? There's so many little markets here. I just got this mango passion fruit drink and it's delicious. These little grab and go like fruit and smoothie things are my favorite things ever. No me gustan cosas que viven en el mar. Oh, qué feo. I'm kind of freaking out right now. This is so gross to me. Oh, that one has blood on it. Y más jamón. Demasiado jamón. Alright everyone, we have just made it over here to lunch. Let's say hello to everybody. Hello, hello. One thing that they're having me try is seafood. Now you guys know I don't usually eat seafood, but we are experimenting and we're gonna try everything. The first thing we're trying is...
almejas a la marinera.
That's what this is, so we're gonna try and see what it's like. Okay, I see. And then I go like this. Okay, we're gonna try this. That was really interesting. No es mal, solo diferente. Bien rara. We're going for round 2. Look at this paella. Look how happy he is eating it. So we are now gonna go ahead and visit their Taekwondo school. The name of the school is Escola Taekwondo Cesrovides. Not only does everyone train in Taekwondo, but we have this little corner where you actually, well, I guess since they're in Spain, they speak Spanish, but everyone here is also learning English. That's so cool. English corner. Their studio is so nice. If you can see everywhere around me, there's things that you guys are gonna recognize that most Taekwondo schools have, and it's pretty cool to be able to like have everything be familiar, even though you're in a completely different place. So this is cool. Feel right at home here. I think up a little bit later we're gonna get to see some classes. We're gonna start off with like kids classes, so we're gonna see how they train here. It's gonna be a fun day. Perfecto, perfecto, muy bien. Yeah! Say bye to the camera, say bye. Bye to the camera, say bye. Slight change of plans, I'm back on another plane again. That's the check-in line I have to stand in.